Belair Mansion will be commemorating Women's History Month by offering a lecture on the wild women of Maryland. Author Lauren Silberman will share her extensive knowledge about these women.
Have you heard of Violet Hill White? She was the first African-American police officer in Baltimore City in 1937, and she earned the nickname of Lady Law because of her dedication to her job. How about Marguerite Harrison? Now, she was a U.S. spy in Russia during World War I. Our speaker and author, Lauren Silberman, will share fascinating stories about these women and many more as we celebrate and commemorate Women's History Month here at Belair Mansion.
The Women's History Month lecture will take place on Saturday, March the 12th from 2 to 3 p.m. at the Belair Mansion. For more information, you can call 301-809-3089.